Meaning of gala.
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 Gala. The word gala generally refers to a social event or celebration that is often characterized by formal dress and special entertainment. It is typically an elaborate and grand occasion that is intended to be memorable and enjoyable for all attendees. A gala event may be held to mark a special occasion, such as a company anniversary or a charity fundraiser, or simply as an opportunity for people to come together and enjoy each other's company in an elegant and sophisticated setting. The term gala is commonly associated with glamour, extravagance, and festivity.